Love cake and it's low taste most days, no cap. Yo, you smell me when I'm pulling over, I stop. Oh yeah, south of Stockton, in the middle of the valley where the trees are really smelly, and I'm clocked in. Over time when I walked in, automatically locked in.
All right, super stoked here. I'm gonna go through my shirts and my stuff. I'm just kind of going through all my little personal belongings and seeing what I really need to bring. So, dude does van life, and I'm just trying to surf more, honestly. Surf more, save money on the high rent in LA, and experience something different right now, because I think everybody needs something different, and this is what is different. That sometimes when you're free is when you feel the most alive.
New paint, though same old game, no ball and chain, don't stress, no strain, remain the same. My balance and aim from every angle, tongue to...
Last day at home. All right, so the van's locked. I gotta open it. Check it out. It is the Logo. So this is a nice camouflage bucket, so you can sit in the forest and do your business without being seen.
Love cake and it's low taste most days, no cap. Yo, you smell me when I'm pulling over, I stop. Oh yeah, south of Stockton, in the middle of the valley where the trees are really smelly, and I'm clocked in. Over time when I walked in, automatically locked in. Still a heavy hitter on stage, never been a quitter, no sir. On time every time like the tempo. Old drip, new paint, no dirt. Old drip, new paint.
All right, check it out. I am fully stocked up. Front, I got my guitar, and that's it. Fully packed. All right, got my clothes, most of them, and yeah, that's it.
When the quitter still bang, old drip, new paint. Stop shining, I can't. Center in the same who ain't.
J.O. same old drip, new paint, though same old game, no ball and chain, don't stress, no strain, remain the same. My balance and aim from every angle, tongue never tied with it.
All right, you guys. Happy birthday. Thank you. Stop growing so fast. Later, Mike. All right, so I'm off to my first van life night experience. I'm going back to my house to take one last shower, and then grab this desk, give it to a friend, go eat, and then find a place to sleep. So that's the plan. All right, over and out. I'll keep you guys updated. Gonna miss me? All right, safety first. Pulling out the shop. Oh shit. All right, I'm about to take my last shower. All right, last shower. All right, last shower. Roommates still aren't here, but I have to go and come back and grab my bed. It's the last thing I gotta take care of. So I'm probably gonna cut out of here. I'm gonna go get some food with a friend and find some place to park. Ciao. What up? So I'm driving to this spot that is up the hill in City Terrace, this little secret spot next to a little forest. I got a friend that lives in the neighborhood that introduced me to the spot, and it makes a perfect van life spot for when I'm staying just outside downtown Los Angeles. So stay tuned, I'll be there shortly. You can already start seeing the view. Like straight up right now. I'm in stealth mode right now. So I got my sun visor up. I'm gonna set up the back and get ready to sleep. Alright, make sure it's not working. Alright, I gotta show you quick, but put up the stealth curtain right here so you can't see much, and then I'm gonna put this covering the back, and then I'm gonna turn the lights back on because I'm trying to stay stealth mode. All right, bye. So I'm pretty crammed with my surfboard in here, not gonna lie. What I'm gonna do now is get the bed ready. You really can't see anything. Hold on. Alright, so I got all the pillows in the left corner. I just gotta move this ice chest and my rinse kit to this corner, then I can make my bed. So it's a little tight in here with my surfboard, but it works. Especially once you get the bed out and everything, then it really works. So I'm gonna straighten everything up and then show you how it looks when it's completely done. All right, bye. I got everything cleared to the side right here. Basically, I'm gonna make my bed now. I'll pull this bad boy out. Take the back seat. Oh shit. Voila. All right. What is up? So I'm putting my surfboard down here for now. This is my comforter. Alright, see if you can see. Alright, that's what it kind of looks like. Got my board. I'm gonna put my board back up when I sleep. But yeah, that's about it. And me. Alright, so this is where I'm staying tonight. Over in City Terrace. And it feels like home. Thinking to myself, like, damn, dude, you're in a van in the middle of a city, sleeping. It's pretty wild. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in and watching my experiences. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and please subscribe. It helps my channel grow. I'm trying to grow it. I'm really tired, but anyways, thanks for watching. This is Dude Does World, and I'm out. Right, first night was a success. I already gotta get up and go to work, so I'm gonna jump out the van and show you where I parked. Alright. Should I get everything?
Cake and it low taste most days, no cap. Yo, you smell me when I'm pulling over. I stop. Oh yeah, south of Stockton, in the middle of the valley where the trees are really smelly, and I'm clocked in. Over time when I walked in, automatically locked in. Still a heavy hitter on stage, never been a quitter, no sir. On time every time like the tip.
Alright, first night, van life complete.
Love cake and it low taste most days, no cap. Yo, you smell me when I'm pulling over. I stop. Oh yeah, south of Stockton, in the middle of the valley.